not going to make it. You're not going to make that. Hi, my name's Mike. Welcome to Steel Rhino. So on this episode we've finally got to the batch. So we're going to do some hot laps around the track. So there's me, my friend Mark, Megan and Stu. So it's all of their first time in the buggy, and it's actually Mark and Megan's first time down the batch. So it was a fun weekend, hooning around in the cart, setting the times and yeah, just having a laugh. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and just let me know if there's anything you want to see or like me to change, and I'll try and see what I can do. Enjoy. Yeah, that's alright. Okay, someone time it. Has anyone got their phone?
Watch the expert in action.
Watch, ready?
So you're gonna go past this point. Speed.
Yeah. So yeah, just pass it and we'll roll it back for the start again. Right, you're up here.
Oi! Under a minute.
Right, now what do you do?
Right,
I can't really reach very well.
Foot on the brake. Oh, can you not reach? Foot on the brake. Keep your foot down. You can barely reach.
You'll be right. Put your foot on the brake.
Keep your foot on the brake. Accelerator.
Where do you steer? This one. Oh, I can't reach very well.
Lean forward slightly.
Oh, this is terrible.
Go pedal. Just go slowly.
What?
Yeah. Put your foot down on the accelerator. Go. Put your foot, Megan, just put your foot on it so it starts moving. Injure the new driver.
Right, you got this.
Bloody tight fit for a big lad.
Gotta do it again.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's good stuff.
690.
K's an hour. We've all got. You got yours to do now. No, he's done it. You've done it.
I haven't done the hot lap.
Oh, haven't you?
I haven't done the time.
Gone last,
You
so
want
you
your-
can see
Give me your
everyone's
hat,
busy
babe. Oh
time.
no.
Hey?
You good? You good? It's all
Yeah,
left
it
my
actually stays on nicely with the hat.
hat. Yeah, my thing was my helmet was like.
The camera's still recording?
It's too
Yeah.
big.
Still got the red light on. Liner up.
Line her up.
Have it hard.
You see there, baby!
I gotta go again. Oh, literally. Oh no, I got 51.11.
Yeah, whole second.
Where he got 50.8. I'm going again, man.
We got to take something off for the. We got a handicap, 20 kilo handicap.
What was mine?
Yeah, what handicap, Mark?
50, oh, break the fucking 52nd.
What are you weighing? About 120?
Me? Yeah.
I'm 120.
So he's fucking got 60 kgs on us or
What are
something.
you, like 80?
85, something around 90.
Alright, go.
51.3.
Oh, faster than my last run though.
What was your last run?
51.11.
Oh, was it?
And what was that? 51.03?
30.
Oh, that was slower.
The split second could be
Yeah.
like it's, the split is. Do you have another lap, Megan?
No, I'm good.
Oh, fun times.
Yeah.
Mark's a winner.
Yeah.
I'll try it. I'll go one more time. I'll see if I can crack that 50.
Yeah. What speed did we get? 35.7. I reckon I can smash that. Not on that corner.
Yeah, that's where it's tricky.
Downhill on that corner and that slippery there, so I'm gonna have to bleep a lot of words out of this YouTube video. So keep swearing. I'll just grab this. Start. Pull it straight out because it's got. Ah! 49, baby! Oh, good job. I almost lost it. Good job.
Oh, that's so funny.
You win today, Mark, but we'll be back here tomorrow for the second. He's not gonna make it. He's not gonna make that. Turn it off. Hi guys, thanks for watching this episode. So basically, we set the first hot lap, the first time ever set on the track. And yeah, so basically the times were, Mark came first, which I was pretty gutted about, but he's a pretty good driver, so I'll give him that. So he set a time of 50.08. So I came second with a 51.11. Stu came in at 56.9 and Megan came in at 1 minute and 5 seconds. So me and Mike actually went and did another lap, and mine actually come back. I need some practice. I actually come back and I was slower about 0.2 of a second, and Mark was actually faster by about 0.2 of a second. So yeah, I'm pretty eager to get back out at some point and try and set some more times, but the racetrack is 2.5 hours away from here, so it's not like I can just nip down and go and do it. But yeah, what we did realise at the end was the CVT belt was a bit too tight, and by the end of all of the runs and us hooning it around, we actually shredded the belt. I don't even know how it was still driving the thing, but yeah, it was still driving. Obviously wasn't putting the power down as well as it was before, but yeah, still functioning. I've got a new belt and everything to throw on it, so I'll do that at some point. But other than that, thank you for watching, and on the next video it will be the trailer. I'll put a couple of posts up. Steel Rhino Engineering, all one word, on Instagram. Steel Rhino's Workshop on Facebook. If you could just give us a like and subscribe, it helps my videos appear in the searches so I can get a few more views. But apart from that, thank you.